Question. Which of the following concept says that the consumers will favor those products that are available widely at low cost? Options. A. Production concept. Option B. Selling concept. Option C. Product concept. Option D. Marketing concept. Answer. Option A. Production concept. In ABC analysis of stock control, which of the following is true with regards to C category goods? Options. A. They have strict control. Option B. They have moderate control. Option C. They have no control. Option D. They have loose control. Answer. Option D. They have loose control. Next question. Which of the following is the formula to calculate workers' wage under Halsey Premium Plan? Option A. T into R plus percentage of S minus T minus R. Option B. T into R plus percentage S into T minus R. Option C. T into R plus percentage of S minus T into R. Option D. T minus R into percentage of S minus T into R. Answer. Option C. T into R plus percentage of S minus T into R. It said that batch costing is an extension of dash costing. It said that batch costing is an extension of dash costing. Option A. Contract. Option B. Job. Option C. Process. Option D. Operation. Answer. Option B. Job. Question. The smallest subunit of an organization where cost collection is attempted is option A. Cost center. Option B. Cost element. Option C. Cost unit. Option D. Cost department. Answer. Option A. Cost center. Zero-based budgeting is related to whom of the following? Options. A. Philip Kotler. Option B. Ronald Reagan. Option C. Jimmy Carter. Option D. Gerald Ford. Answer. Option C. Jimmy Carter. Question. Cost of abnormal ideal time is options credited to costing profit and loss account. Option B. Debited to costing profit and loss account. Option C. Credited to production account. Option D. Debited to production account. Answer. Option B. Debited to costing profit and loss account. Which one of the following is an uncontrollable cause of material price variance? Options. A. Change in market price. Option B. Inefficient buying. Option C. Emergence purchase. Option D. Loss of discount. Answer. Option A. Change in market price. Next question. Two or more products with the same importance produced during a production process is known as options A. Double product. Option B. Joint product. Option C. Two product process. Option D. Byproduct. Answer. Option B. Joint product. Question. FIFO method is best suited when? Options A. Prices are falling. Option B. Prices are fluctuating. Option C. Prices are rising. Option D. Prices are almost stable. Answer. Option A. Prices are falling. Question. In costing, dash analysis is used primarily for control of spare parts. Options A. ABC. Option B. Need. Option C. VED. Option D. Cost. Answer. Option C. VED. Next question. Which of the following is true with regards to bin card? Options A. It records value only. Option B. It records value and quantity. Option C, it records quantity only. Option D, none of the above is true. Answer, option C, it records quantity only. Average stock level is calculated with which of the following formula? Options A, minimum stock plus 1 by 2 reorder quantity. Option B, minimum stock plus reorder quantity. Option C, minimum stock plus 1 by 4 reorder quantity. Option D, minimum stock plus reorder quantity into reorder time. Answer, option A, minimum stock plus 1 by 2 reorder quantity. Question, special drawing right SDR is related to which of the following institution? Options A, IBRD. Option B, WTO. Option C, IMF. Option D, GATT. Answer, option C, IMF. In which year the LIC was formed? Options A, 1962. Option B, 1956. Option C, 1964. Option D, 1979. Answer, option B, 1956. Which of the following institutions regulate Indian money market in India? Options A, RBI. Option B, IRDA. Option C, SEBI. Option D, NABARD. Answer, option A, RBI. Which of the following institution was formed in India with the help of World Bank? Options A, IDBI. Option B, IFCI. Option C, ICICI. Option D, DFHI. Answer, option C, ICICI. Question, name the first mutual fund scheme offered in India. Options A, HSBC Equity 5. Option B, UTI MF Scheme 1. Option C, SBI Magnum Equity. Option D, Unit Scheme 64. Answer, option D, Unit Scheme 64. Question, all except one given belongs to a group. Find out which does not belong to the group. Options A, International Monetary Fund. Option B, the International Development Association. Option C, the Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency. Option D, the International Finance Corporation. Answer, option A, International Monetary Fund. RBI was established in which year? Option A, 1938. Option B, 1935. Option C, 1948. Option D, 1945. Answer, option B, 1935.